Gauranga Mahaprabhu said, "This chanting is so incredibly sweet, I have no desire to leave this place. Let us stay on the banks of this river and continue chanting for some days. We were traveling, but now I wish to stop." The devotees all cried, "Haribo! Haribo! Haribo! As they continued the chanting which intoxicated Gauranga Mahaprabhu. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama.